All right, we have 4 to go. Who's picking this one? Is it my turn?
You just did.
Oh, I just did. So it's your turn?
It's
Okay.
my turn.
How about this? Just, all right, good. Nope.
Oh, let me just go.
Oh. There you go.
First
You're on
again.
number 1 again. Let's see what happens. Come on, common Panthor. I just want to make a second.
Okay, I will use my magic power to try and do it for you. If I
Feel it. Feel it. Make it happen.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. You did it!
I have the power again!
And you know what's funny? You screamed, I have the... Shh.
I have to back.
You're screaming, I have the power, which is exactly what He-Man screams when he goes from Prince Adam to He-Man. When he holds his sword and he goes, I have the power. Yeah, exactly.
I have the power of Grayskull.
Well, there you go. You have the power of Cryptoy cubes because we were missing this one and now we're not missing it anymore.
I lost it. I had it.
Well,
I lost it and I got it back.
Well done. All right. Here you go. Nikki's at it again.